In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can interpret a scatter diagram. Looking at the example on the left, the x-axis has a scale which is going up by a half. The x-axis represents experiment 1. The y-axis goes up in twos and has been labelled experiment 2. One of the things we can also see is that as experiment 1 is increasing, experiment 2 is increasing as well. This scatter graph shows a positive correlation, and a line of best fit has been drawn through my scatter graph. The line of best fit in this case starts at 4 and best fits the trend of the data. I've been asked to find experiment 1 when experiment 2 is 17.5 based on the trend shown by these results. To answer this question, we need to find 17.5 on the y-axis because that is experiment 2, read across to our line of best fit, and then read down to experiment 1. Well, 17.5 on the y-axis is approximately here. Reading across and reading down, experiment 1 will equal 4.5. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with this question, we have two experiments plotted. Experiment 1 is going on the x-axis, experiment 2 is going on the y-axis. As we can see, the scale is a little bit more difficult with this graph. This time experiment 2 is going up in fives. I've been asked to work out experiment 1 when experiment 2 is 19.6. Well, 19.6 will be very close to 20. Reading across and reading down, experiment 1 is also equal to 4.5 in the second example.